sports icons or three global athletes, who would they be?
I mean, see, Nadal would be first. I would
Rafa
like to
Nadal.
say, because even he resonates and he kind of has always been someone who's always wanted to fight, and it's not over till it's not over. So Nadal would be one. Novak Djokovic would be second. And I like to send it to Messi. Yeah, I like to send it to Messi. So yeah, it will look nice on him for sure.
Nadal, Djokovic, and Messi. Can't wait for Hardik to one day go on the mic when I'm doing an interview to a good night. IYKYK. It's at a time where, performance wear, fitness, lifestyle, fans, the connect between fans and their heroes and role models is at a very good time. What pushed you towards this? Having it, was it always a little dream that one day I'll have my own line, or, what was it like?
I think it was, with me and my team, we've been speaking about this for almost good 6-7 years. It's just that we wanted the right time and, right product, and the right partner, to be very honest. And just we never found the right, the passion which did not come, and we wanted to wait for the right time. And I remember when the conversation came that, we can do this, I think 8, 9, 10 months back. And for me, straight away, there was a smile on my face that, something which I've dreamt for so long. I always wanted something where there are my products out there and people can, genuinely use it. But at the same point of time, really wanted to make sure that when someone wears it, they should really enjoy it as well and they should feel it. So, coming from where I come from, sitting in this place where I am and speaking about my own brand, I don't think for me it is a better story, the better, very warm and healthy story for me, this, because wanted for a long time, but finally it has come, the day has come and we are out, and that's why they say, that always dream big, someday it will always happen.
Nice one. A quick word on, the partners. You said the passion didn't come through. When it did, Fancourt Shop, they expected that it'll be hard, कि हार्दिक पांड्या बहुत मेहनत कराएगा, लेकिन शायद उन्होंने नहीं सोचा इतनी मेहनत कराएगा. Just tell you go to Hardik, and when Hardik subscribes to an idea, there is nothing more that matters in the world. The only one idea which has remained constant is I am an all-rounder. I will always bowl as well. उसके अलावा ideas एक आ गया, तो then he's immersed in the idea. And I've seen you go through designs, not talk to anyone, like that is going to become your full-time profession. You were so into it. So just tell me, working with Fancourt Shop, the team to pick up designs, fabric, because you were completely immersed into it.
I mean, see, the reason why, for me, anything which associates with me has to be niche. It has to have the quality. It has to have the love which I put to my products, even if the ones which I use. So, when we initiative started, there are a couple of times I've been very hard on them, where I've seen the stuff, and I was like, we need to go back to square zero. And, they were very, patient enough with me, and, they kept working hard, and they finally got the product right. And, credit to the Fancourt team as well, who, who was always at it, no matter how much pressure I put on them. And at the same point of time, for me, because it was so close to my heart, we just wanted to make sure that it has to be the perfect one, which it has to be where everything is looked after, and, it's just not about Hardik Pandya wearing it, it's about everyone wearing it. So for me, that was very, very important. And I'm glad the product has come out, and, can't wait for everyone to try it on, and I hope the kind of love and effort we have put, they feel it.
I think मैं थोड़ा यहाँ a language that is understandable और अच्छे से उसमें बताया था, ये कोलैब नहीं है,
मेरा खुद का है.
कोलैब रिक्वेस्ट नहीं भेजी है, ओरिजिनल कंटेंट है ये, और जब अच्छे इंटेंट से कोई कंटेंट बनाता है तो अच्छा आ ही जाता है. So is it, and ये क्वेश्चन बहुतों के मन में आएगा when there are a lot of people, when they come out with their line, it's like, so it's not an endorsement. And will they always now also see you wear it? And was that the idea, that I have to wear it? And was that behind it? Whenever you looked at a product, were you thinking, what is my fan going to make of it? How is he going to feel? Because I think it's a very integral part of what you've done.
Yeah, exactly. When coming back to my whole wardrobe is now with my own clothes, especially my training part is all covered by my own clothes. Second was that the line which you use, it was very, very important for me that I should be able to wear it, and that's when my fans should get the same feeling what I feel when I'm wearing it. So for us, our constant conversation about the clothing and everything, how we want to come across as, was always to make sure that it's just not about me wearing it. It's about how when I wear it and how comfortable and how confident I feel, and when someone else wears it as well, they should feel the same. They should feel they want to go and spend burn 1,000 calories with just the clothes. So I hope we on a funnily we should be able to achieve that, and yeah, it's been quite fantastic.
देखो इतने प्यार में बंदे ने हमें ट्रोल कर दिया, हमें पता भी नहीं चला. Go burn 1,000 calories. 3 लोग चले गए छोड़ के. No, on that note, Hardik, just give us a beginner's kit. A beginner's kit with this amazing performance wear. Give us in 60 seconds a Hardik Pandya endorsed workout. चाहिए? Yeah. एकदम दिल का क्वेश्चन पूछा सबके.
In 60 seconds, so first of all, warm-up is very important. Everyone should do warm-up. Make sure that your body is ready. That's when you can push your barriers. I'm going to take more than 60 seconds. I have a thing which has really helped me throughout my career and which was stayed when I was, I think, 16-year-old. When our body does not get tired, our mind gets tired. So many times in my life, the difference between where I was able to push my limits was always the fact that when my mind gets tired, I will tell my body to just push, because you will always have extra effort in your body. And the difference between if you do 20 and if I do 20, we are on the same level. But if I push to 25 and if I challenge my mindset, next time I'm going to do 25, next time I'm going to be 30. That's when I'm putting, getting little level up on that. So coming back to the point that it is very, very important to sometimes train your mind as well, that your body has much more than what you can think. And that video stayed with me for so long that every time in my life when my trainer has told me to do 10 push-ups, I've always ended up doing 15. And that has pushed my limits. And I think slowly, everyone who wants to start the fitness journey, they should focus on that. Start pushing your barrier every single day, because human body is such a lovely creation by God that it will mold however you want to, however you want to have it. It's just that it just needs a little hard work. And coming back to the point of 60 seconds, it's very, very important that everyone focuses on leg, because chicken legs are not good. So we should do a lot of lunges, squats. You can I like pull-ups, push-ups, leg press, and something which really work on their glutes, which is, you can do leg press, which really works, and lunges. So make sure you look after, balance it out properly, and just work hard. Anything, just do something in gym, that would be good.
Spoken like a true fast bowler. No, all-rounder he is. But first, it comes bowling, he has to take care of the legs, the glutes and everything, and that's why you get speed. Let me ask you, Hardik, because 135 plus, 140, and I know you love bowling fast. When was it, when you were growing up, when you were playing cricket, when you knew that, this is getting serious, you've got the framework of bowling that quick and hitting the ball that far? When did you start loading up that fitness from a level of an aspiring cricketer to a state cricketer to then an international cricketer?
It's just that for me, I was really into fitness from start. So I don't know, many people don't know, but I think I'll just use this. For me, I never knew what fitness would do to me. But it's just that I felt it, that for me, I always wanted to be number one in everything which I do. So in a habit of that, I kept training when I was young a lot. I pushed myself a lot, ran a lot. So I had a very good, strong base. Obviously, there was not much knowledge about the body, not knowledge about the fact that how do I increase my fitness. But as soon as, because my base was strong and I did the basics which you are supposed to do while training, helped me when I came to the higher level. I used to bowl, if I'm not wrong, 130s or one higher 130s. I was able to go that 140 plus 142 by pushing. That's when I realized by 2017 onward, as soon as I started getting more into my body, more knowledge about it, and that's when I start pushing. And I think as soon as I start pushing, that's when my slowly, consistently, my graph kept getting up. Because as you mentioned, for me, fast bowling is quite entertaining because I can timid people. So I really, when I bowl, I'm really a fast bowler. Like I really go into that mindset of how a general, quick, fast bowler is, who's there to kind of come and hit on your head. That stayed, and obviously with that fitness routine, joining in, body, getting much more stronger, and I think that's when I was able to push my limits and get what I wanted.
Let me actually ask you at this point, what do you want to achieve from your own line? Hardik Pandya performance wear, because I remember you telling me backstage that it's not just for people who want to get it because it's Hardik Pandya. You always are endorsing a very active lifestyle. You've seen the advantages of it. We've seen you do a lot of yoga as well. So what's your vision and mission, the end goal? I mean, maybe not the end goal, but the journey like. Do you want people just to take it up even if they've got no connect with maybe watching the sport or aspiring to be a sports person, just everyday fitness?
Yes, Sachin, that was the whole purpose for me to come out of this. Yes, this is about people loving and being passionate about their fitness, pushing their boundaries, wearing something which is cool as well. At the same point of time, you can get healthier as well in that. So, the journey, the outcome is just that as many people can wear it, and all my fans and everyone wear it, and even if you are not associated with the sport, we wanted to come up with something which really, where everyone feels comfortable to wear it. It's just not about just putting someone's name on it and just not having a comfortable product. What our goal was, at the same point of time, we want to look after nicheness, a really good product which everyone can afford, and at the same point of time, just making sure that even you are not associated with the sport, you just see the brand, you just see the product, and you get excited with it. So I hope.
So even for those who do yoga?
Yes, to everyone, to anyone who's, I do yoga wearing this. So for me, it's about just being comfortable, because yoga is something which you really want to be comfortable and then do it in a very controlled space, and get better, open your mindset, go into a deep thinking. So even the ones who want to do yoga, someone who wants to run, someone who wants to gym, someone who wants to do CrossFit, someone who wants to play paddles, football, cricket, everyone can wear this, and they'll see me wearing it, so everyone will wear it.
Amazing. Just now that we're talking about runs, let me just ask you, a very popular thing is the yo-yo test, right? किया है किसी ने yo-yo? नहीं, सुनने वाला है वो नहीं. Yo-yo, क्या नहीं? What's been your top yo-yo test score?
Ever?
Ever, and हाँ, ever से करते हैं. तो ऐसी achievement है, एक बार आगी तो उसका दिखाने का.
Ever is 28.7. Sorry, 21.7.
21.7.
So after 22 and a half or 22 and 7, the test finishes. So I was just one level.
If you just have, रहने दो यार, अपने क्या क्वेश्चन पूछने, अपने यो टेस्ट हम कैलकुलेट भी नहीं कर सकते. जहां से टेस्ट शुरू होता है उसके पहले हमारा टेस्ट खत्म हो जाता है. Do you enjoy being at the gym more, or do you now enjoy going out? Because I know you started running outdoors a lot. We see when you go on your training binges, you go for early morning trainings to stadiums and all of that. Do you enjoy closed workout spaces or open spaces?
See, For me, it's being fit and being healthy is a passion. So I really don't differentiate between if I have to train indoors or outdoor. I just want to train. And for me, obviously, gym is something which we all have to do. But for me, running is the most important part. For me, running gets the best out of my body. Running gets the best out of everyone because that's the most healthiest thing which you can do for your body. It keeps your blood vessels and blood flow very fast because you kind of push it. So, if still I have balance, I'll really like both. But if I still have to pick, I think running is tougher, much tougher. But I really enjoy it because the kind of satisfaction you can get after a run. I mean, gym can give you that, but running can give you a lot of satisfaction in your life.
Hardik Pandya, you keep running. We're behind you.
Thank you.
We'll continue to be behind you. Because when you run in the direction which only brings glory and happiness to so many fans. We're all very chuffed and very, very excited that this moment has come. Very happy for Hardik Pandya, very happy for Fan Code. And it's a great, great initiative. It's a win-win for both of them. Can we have a big round of applause for Hardik Pandya, for Fan Code Shop, for everyone who's been involved in this moment?